Hello students, today I am going to discuss about trigonometric functions in arrays. So here we can perform all mathematical functions and trigonometric functions on arrays. So since these trigonometric functions operate in radians, angles must be converted to radians by multiplying pi by 180. Only then we can refer to trigonometric functions. They accept an array of argument as input. So here we can perform trigonometric functions. Those are we can easily find out the radian values or angles values. Okay, we can easily convert radians into angles and angles into radians by using these trigonometric functions. Okay, so here the trigonometric functions in Numpy, and their description is, so here trigonometric functions sine, cos, tan. So these three functions are used to calculate the sine, cosine, tangent of angles. Okay, so for 30 degrees you can find out the sine 30 degrees, cosine and tangent angles. So arc sine, arc sine, arc cos, arc tan. So here the calculate inverse of sine, cosine and tangent angles. So if you want to calculate inverse of sine, cos and tan, you need to use arc sine, arc cos and arc tan. Okay, next one is hypot. So here it is used to, here hypot function is used to hypotenuse of specified right angled triangle. Okay, so next one is sin h, cos h and tan h. So here these functions are used to calculate hyperbolic sine, cos, tangent angles. Okay, so the next one is arc sin h, arc cos h and arc tan h. So here arc sine is used to calculate inverse sine, but arc sin h is used to inverse hyperbolic sine, inverse hyperbolic cosine and inverse hyperbolic tangent. Okay, next degree to radian. So dig to rad. So here this function is used to convert angles from degrees into radians and from radians to degrees. Okay, so these are the important trigonometric functions. So here sine, cos, tan are three functions. Okay, next arc sine, arc cos, arc tan and sin h, cos h, tan h. Okay, degree to radian and radians to degree. Okay, so some of the mathematical trigonometric functions are numpy dot floor function. So we all know the floor function is used to return floor value of the input data, which is largest integer not greater than the input value. Okay, so consider the following input. Okay, so here ARR is equals to, we are creating one array and that array elements are 12.202 and 90.23120. Okay, so like this. So the floor values are always taken smallest. Okay, so here it takes the smallest round, means lower round to the number. So 12, next 90 and after that 123 and after that 23. Okay, so in this way we can convert the elements to floor. Okay, so here the function is floor and the parameter is ARR. So we are giving input as this array. Okay, next one is seal. So seal is just opposite of floor. The floor takes the smallest element, whereas the seal takes the largest greater elements. So this function is used to return sealing value of array, the smallest integer value greater than array element. Okay, so here the array elements are same, but if you calculate the seal, here it will return 13, 91, 124 and 24 like this. Okay, so the next one, so these are the trigonometric functions, and you can calculate the maximum value and minimum value, sine value, cos value by using respective functions. Okay, so I hope it is clear. If you have any doubts regarding to this video, please comment me in the comment section. For more videos, please subscribe my channel.